I create 60 shorts for YouTube in less than an hour by using AI. I know you won't believe it, but I can show you how it works. Welcome to How to Easy Quick. Today, I'm going to share how you can create 60 YouTube shorts using 2 AI tools. If you've ever wanted to jump into YouTube Shorts, stick around. First off, we need to generate quotes using ChatGPT or any other AI writer. There are many free AI writers available online, but for this video, I am going to use ChatGPT. To generate quotes, open ChatGPT. Now, write a well-crafted and precise prompt for the quote. Structure, tone, and content type. Don't worry, you don't need to exert yourself. You can find the prompt in the video description. Once you're done with the prompt, hit enter and let ChatGPT work for you. I had asked ChatGPT to create a downloadable Excel sheet. Remember, for this purpose, you need to sign into your ChatGPT account. Otherwise, you won't be able to download a file. I click here and download the file. Now, you can see we have a list of 60 quotes based on the topic we provided to ChatGPT. Next up, it's time to create the videos using the AI tool InVideo. Open Google Chrome and browse the InVideo AI tool. The link to the website is in the description below. Now sign up, and once you're done, you will land here. Click on Create AI Video. In this section, paste the first quote by copying it from the sheet. Down here, choose the YouTube Shorts option. On this page, you can choose your preferences. For instance, I choose a few options here. Remember to paste the quote again here. Once done, click on Continue. On this page, all the details of your video will be provided. Now simply click on Generate Video. Hang on for a while and let the AI work. From here, you can again choose your preferences and click on Continue. Again, hang on for a while and let your video generate. Now you can preview your video. If you think you need edits, you can click here to edit your video. Once done, click here to download the video. Does the video have a watermark? Don't worry about the watermark. I have a simple and quick solution for it. To handle the watermark, open CapCut and import the short into it. Now add it to the timeline, and then click on any text you choose and write your channel's name to cover the watermark. Next, click on Stickers. Here, search for the subscribe button and add it to the video. You are done. Now you can export and upload your short to YouTube.
If you don't like grand gestures but still crave deep connections, then listen closely.
So, there you have it. I hope this short tutorial inspires you to start making YouTube shorts. It's easier than you might think. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Catch you in the next one.